To automatically enable exercise mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra when opening a certain workout app, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap exercise. Tap turn on automatically. Now tap the gray on off switch next to app open until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Tap app open. Select the desired workout app. To find the app quickly, you can tap the search icon at the top right and then tap the app name. Select the app. Tap done button. And then tap done button again to save the change. With this setting, the exercise mode will turn on automatically when you are opening the workout app that you have selected before. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.